Ranked as the #1 island in the U.S. by TripAdvisor's Traveler's Choice Awards, Marco Island has one of the world's most beautiful beaches. Befitting of this island paradise, you'll love this stunning 4-bedroom, 5-bath waterfront jewel with direct water access and amazing views. Entering the 8-foot double doors in the foyer, it's easy to see this designer-decorated home is made for entertaining. A private study and a formal dining room deliver the appropriate intimacy, while the lounge area and the wet bar provide relaxing views of the lanai and bay beyond. The home's open design offers great sightlines from the kitchen, living area, and informal dining area. The kitchen will delight even the most discriminating of chefs, with expansive granite countertops and decorative backsplash, a large center island with prep sink, 6-burner Thermador gas cooktop and custom cabinetry, breakfast bar, and stainless steel appliances. Sliding doors in the family room completely open the indoor space to the screened lanai and pool area. Guests will appreciate this beautifully decorated powder bath. Double doors open to a large first-floor master suite. The tray ceiling, exquisite crown molding, and recessed lighting set the mood. Sliding doors provide private access to the pool, spa, and calming views of the bay. 2 custom walk-in closets complement this retreat. And a spacious marble and tile bath with soaking tub, double vanities, and a gorgeous walk-in shower complete the package. The first floor includes a guest bedroom with ensuite bath and private access to the lanai and pool areas. A laundry room with soaking tub complete the first floor. A full bath upstairs services a large living area with wet bar. Sliding doors open to incredible views from the 2nd floor deck. A nicely appointed 3rd bedroom has access to the shared full bath, and a 4th bedroom offers direct water views. An ensuite bathroom, and direct access to the deck, delivering extraordinary views of the bay. The lanai features an outdoor kitchen with built-in grill and the perfect setting for dining al fresco. And while you experience water views from almost every room in this home, there's nothing quite like the tranquil beauty of the bay views from the private screened lanai. An oversized 2-car, tiled, and air-conditioned garage provide the perfect complement to this home. Surrounded by the unique, natural beauty of Florida's Paradise Coast, this exclusive Marco Island waterfront home awaits you. For an in-person or virtual personalized tour, call now.